Hey, how you doing? My name is Storyteller Boulevard. I'm here to teach you how to make your own hoop. Alright, let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is just call your homeboy. You be like, yo, bro, you know how to make a DIY hoop, bro?
Easy, bro. What up?
Hey, man, you know, I just woke up, man. You got any tools, man?
Man, what kind of tools you looking for?
I'm looking for a saw. Something to cut a bucket with. A saw. You know, we're just taking a walk around the yard, trying to see what we got, you know, what we can use, what I found with this bucket. So what I'm fixing to do is cut this bucket. Somebody calling me? What I'm finna do is take this bucket and cut it right about here. We see this gray area right here, right about there. Just cut right there. If this one don't work, I got this one as well. There's a couple of buckets. And we just wanna look out here in the storage. You see, this is something I might use right here. Because it looks like, you know, the bucket with this, you know. There's a curtain hanger. You can hang some. Yeah, this thing right here. I don't know what they call this. Yeah, I think I might use this one. But Z-Dog, my name is Z-Dog. He need to mount some speakers. So I'll be there, my nigga.
My nigga, handle your shit right there.
Man, my business, man. Let me sort this shit out. You got any ideas, though? Cause
Hey, bro, y'all motherfuckers need to be careful because I think I contracted that corona, man.
Ah, damn, man. Because I wanted to cut it here.
Yeah.
And put it on top of that wall. That will get a chicken. What's up? What's up?
Hold up, it's a minute, man. It'll get off way. Then let's get off way. At least the end.
The month I got on so.
Yeah.
And that's not bad either.
Because the ball is still at the end. And so, I will say that. I will say also because those pieces we see. Yeah, I guess I'll put them on big boss.
Ah, man, appreciate that.
Alright, bro. Let me get that shit down real quick.
Alright, man, handle your business. We're like the gate, you know.
Alright.
We're gonna shoot some hoops if this works out, right?
Let's shoot some hoops.
My nigga Cat. What's good, bro? My nigga Cat's here with the screws and everything. You here with the screws, right? Damn, you got the screws, man.
Yeah, I'm here, I'm checking what type of screws we need because Mr. Clark said I must come and check and give him a
Alright. So, my nigga Cat about to get the screws and everything. What we gonna do now is drill that into the wall. I got my nigga Cat right here. Make the car, he's my man. You my guy with the tool. You taking care of that thing.
my man.
Yeah, it's my nigga Cat with the tool. I always just call him up, you know, just, you know, keep it on the side, be safe. How long I'm gonna have to do this? Ain't nothing happening, man. I think I done chose the wrong spot. I'm realizing it's not a matter of power. It's a matter of patience. Man.
How long are you?
Like, not too long. Not black man long. So I was talking to my dad, right? And he want me to put the hoop right there in front. What he also said was, right, every time I was shooting, it's obviously I can't make every shot, you see. It might be a problem with the neighbors, because it's gonna always be falling on the other side of the fence. Plus with the height of the whole thing, it kinda makes sense. And my nigga Cat, he's not here right now, so we just go ahead and put it right here in the back. I'm just put it right there is where my dogs stay. It's not that big, so I ain't gonna have no strain to be, you know, shooting them 3-pointers and everything, but hey, gotta make use of what you got. You know? So far it's what we have. We have our own, you know, little homemade thing right here. We're just gonna mount this part right here. We got the walls, we're gonna put these holes on the wall. Go right here and just get it done, right? Yeah, and there it is right here. Everything's my dog is loud. Damn! Shut the fuck up! And that's about it right there. That's how you know you get your own DIY hoop, you know, from when you try to do that. That's how you do, bro. That's how you do, man. Ain't nothing to do. I really hope you enjoyed the video, baby girl. I come here and text back. I've been texting you. What's the matter with you? To all my brothers out there, man, be safe. Stop killing these bitches. Real, let's stop killing our women. Those mother sisters, you know, possible female presidents and everything. Let's stop killing them. Let's play basketball. That's all I can say. Let's play basketball, man.
You do, you put the dust on the Storyteller Boulevard, boy. On the score, hey, buzz. Yep, boy. Chapel.